Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm here with another talk show, okay? Okay, and I have some notes. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, share the video, and check out my links below if you would like to support this channel in any way. I had a video that I posted, actually came on yesterday, and it was called Are You Marriage Material? You might want to go check that video out if you are questioning whether you are marriage material, and if you can see any way where you can change your situation. Maybe you're not happy shacking up, or maybe you're not happy with status quo. And so just check the video out. It's some food for thought. Maybe you can have your partner to watch it with you and you all have a conversation about it, okay? Alright, cool. Okay, so this subject is, have life given you a bad deal? Have life given you a bad deal? I think life has given all of us a bad deal here or there. Some of us had more bad deals than others. Some of us had bad deals in relationships. Others have had bad deals in finances. Maybe you're suffering from other bad deals. Okay, so I have some of them here. Let's go through them. Okay. Why don't you try, if you've had some bad deals, to turn life around. Turn life around. So I know you're asking how. Okay, so let's do it. Get a new attitude of non-defeat. So when I say that, I mean decide that in your mind, because it's all about perception in your mind, how you have just declared war, that you are not going to be defeated, and from this day forward you are going to think positive, and your attitude of positivity is going to reach the top. Get a new attitude on defeat. You're not going to be defeated anymore. Okay, so once we've changed your mindset, let's go on. Maybe you suffered a loss from death. Maybe you lost your best friend or companion. So, okay, so maybe you was with your companion have passed, and now you suffer this loss because your companion was your best friend, your companion was your mate, and so now you feel empty, you feel defeated, you feel down. Get up and try again, because, you know, thank God that you had that wonderful experience and blessing with your companion. But that doesn't mean that you stop living now. You're not defeated. Get up and let's try again. Okay? Okay. Would your friend want you to be down mentally forever? I don't think so. You know, if your companion was with you in the good and bad times, and they seen you get over circumstances, then they're going to want that for you now. So get up and try again. That's what your companion would want you to do, okay? That's what you need to do for yourself. That's what you need to do for your family. That's what you need to do for your mental stability. Get up and try again. Are you struggling, can't make ends meet from life's bad deals? You know, bad deals could be a car note that's more than you can afford, or some maybe you ran up charge cards that you know you shouldn't have ran up, and now you're suffering from that. And you know, the bad deal on the credit cards is they have you thinking that you can pay that off. But really and truly, once that gets to a point where you can't pay that off in a week's paycheck, chances are you're not going to pay that off for a very long time, because other bills come up, and then you just pay the minimum. And every time you pay the minimum, that finance charge is adding up more and more and more, and so it's hard for you to get that bill down. And so now you are stuck with that bad deal, really a bad deal, because it's hard to get out of credit card debt. But see what you can do. Buckle down. Cut out some other expenses to see what you can do to get from under that burden, because you had a bad deal, and the banks and these credit card companies talk you into it by giving you all kind of incentives and that sort of thing, which is great if you can pay it off. But if you can't, now that's a bad deal for you, because now you're stressed over that. The word of the day is keep trying. It ain't over yet. Okay? It's not over yet. Okay? Until you say it's over, it's not over yet. And today you decide that it's not over yet, because you got a new attitude today. Okay? And you're gonna go and beat the odds. You're gonna go and solve this problem, because it ain't over yet. Okay? Take action, make your situation better. If it's finances, increase your income, work more, get a job promotion, sell some items that you have on eBay or something, trade some items, see if you can run errands for people to get paid. Do whatever you need to do to get out the situation. Be determined to get out the situation, because you can do it, okay? It just takes some more effort, some more hard work, some more sleepless nights, but you can do it. Do that, please. If it's mental, put the bad memories out of your head. Now, I know you're saying that that's hard to do. That is really hard. That's hard to do, but it's not impossible to do. So when something comes in your head, let's say, for instance, you have regrets on that, spending all that money on that credit card. Okay, put it out your head tonight, okay? But tomorrow, you're going to come up with a solution how to solve that problem, how to pay more on that problem, so that's what I mean when I say put that out your head, just temporarily, okay, until you solve the problem. Once you come up with a plan, it's not going to be a burden anymore, because the plan is already being implemented and you can see your way, okay? When they come in, when those bad thoughts come into your head, just block them out. We talked about that. Maybe you had a failed marriage or a failed breakup. You know, those are the kind of things that really can get you down, because maybe you was told some negative words, negative comments, or maybe you was to blame for the breakup or the downfall. All of those things are reasons for you to try to overcome, okay? Because if you try to overcome a breakup or a bad relationship, and you clear your head, it's much easier for you to move on to another relationship, because you're not hanging on to those past thoughts, and you can move on with a clean intention, okay? Remember, you were not born with that person that you used to go with, and you can move on without them, okay? One monkey don't stop the show. Just remember that. Say that all week. One monkey don't stop the show, okay? Remember the good times with your ex. Remember, you cannot go forward until you remember those good times and move forward to better times, okay? All right, because if you remember the good times, it helps you get through it. But if you focus just on the bad times, it's a setback. So I'm trying to get you out of that, okay? I want you to get up, hit the ground running, okay? Because life gave you a bad deal, it does not mean the deal is over. You have another hand to play. Yes, you have another hand to play. And this hand is going to be all about you. You can't blame nobody or anything else. You are going to say you did it. You are going to say you got out of debt. You are going to say you crawled out the hole. You are going to say you feel like you're in a better place. You can do it, and I know you can. And I'm here to encourage you and give you faith and tell you to move forward, okay? Because you are going to be able to get out of this hole. Okay, give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. Thanks for hanging around, okay? I'll be back to you soon. Bye.